Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to be doing a YOTO app walkthrough. So first we will install the YOTO app from the Google App Store. Allow YOTO to send a notification. So after that, it's going to ask you to enable alarms and reminders. So just hover over the button to enable it. Now we can set up the player. So let's get started. Continue. Turn on the player. Turn on by holding the power button for 3 seconds until you hear a chime play and a smiley face appears. So you need to do that while it's plugged but in the power cord. Now to get your code, press and hold both orange buttons for 5 seconds until you see a 6-letter code appear in the display. For example, the A, B, C, D, E, F. So it could be random letters. And then click continue. Now we're gonna join players hotspot, so we're going to connect it to your home Wi-Fi. So it's right now it's searching for device. Connect YOTO _ VAK to your Wi-Fi. So right now it's connected, and then you're gonna type your password and your username for your Wi-Fi. So just click on your username, and then I just typed everything in. My email address and my password. I'm not going to show that. Then got it. Start playing. So here's some safety information. Adults handle charging. No players in bed. Not for kids under 3 years old. So let's move on to the app's homepage. So let's go to library. As you can see, there are the cards that the YOTO app sells. So you can buy all these cards here. Just click on the card and it's going to show you the price, and you can purchase any of these audiobooks. So these are the options, and then I'm going to my settings. So in the settings, you can like see your internet, your alarms. You can set an alarm. You can see the battery level of your YOTO if it's unplugged. Right now it's showing charging. And then as you can see here, there's a day mode where you can change the color of the light. And here is your alarm. You can set alarms from Monday through Sunday. You can choose the songs or the sound that you want. So there's Wake with Drake, YOTO Radio. There's like 10 options. And then you can also set a volume on how loud or how soft you want the alarm to be. And you can also preview it on your player. And after you've chosen the set volume, you can save the alarm, and you can add, I think, more than 5 alarms. So as you can see, I'm like increasing the volume here. The loudest alarm sound is the Surf's Up. The YOTO Sleep Radio is always so nice if you want like a music for bedtime. So right now I have like an alarm for 7 a.m. from Monday through Sunday. And then, yes, I'm just going back to the home page. So that is an overview. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.